President Bola Tinubu has opened his defense in the petition filed before the Presidential Election Petition Court by Abubakar Atiku and the People's Democratic Party, seeking to upturn the outcome of the February 25, 2023 presidential election. The Electoral Commission, INEC, had declared Bola Tinubu of the All Progressives Congress, APC, as the winner of the presidential election, but Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, who came second in the race, disputed the election outcome. On Tuesday, while opening his defense, Bola Tinubu presented his academic records before the Presidential Election Petition Court in Abuja. Tinubu tendered the academic records obtained from the Chicago State University in the United States of America to counter a suit lodged by Atiku Abubakar challenging his victory as Nigeria's president. He also tendered more than 17 documents before the court to debunk allegations of criminality in the petition. The documents tendered are copies of a letter from the Nigeria police to the United States Embassy dated February 3, 2003, a letter from the United States Embassy to the Nigeria police dated February 4, 2003, a bundle of his educational records from the Chicago State University, Tinubu's immigration documents and U.S. visas amounting to about 17 documents. Tinubu also tendered copies of reports of the committee on the location of the federal capital of Nigeria and of Form EC8D for Kano State in respect of the February 25, 2023 presidential election, and that of Form EC8D-A in respect of the same election. Apart from the educational and travel documents, the court further admitted an originating summons of a suit instituted at the Supreme Court by the Attorneys General of Adamawa, Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Delta, Edo and Sokoto states, challenging the educational background of Tinubu to stand for the 2023 presidential election. He also tendered certified true copies of newspaper publications on several suits filed against the president by several groups in This Day newspaper, Sunday Sun newspaper, Nigeria Tribune newspaper, Punch newspaper, and The Nation newspaper. In furtherance of his quest to debunk allegations of fraud against Mr. Tinubu, Mr. Olonipekun tendered the immigration documents of Mr. Tinubu's trips to the U.S. between 2011 and 2021. He said the documents were certified by the Nigeria Immigration Service. The lawyer also presented the final results of the presidential election, which declared Tinubu president-elect. After tendering tons of documentary evidence, Olanipekun SAN told the five-member panel of the court headed by Haruna Samani that a documentary foundation had been laid for Mr. Tinubu's case. But Atiku's lawyer, Chris Uche, an SAN, opposed the admissibility of the documents. Bola Tinubu's correspondents, INEC and APC, did not oppose the tendering and admissibility of the papers in evidence. After admitting the documents in evidence, the court adjourned further hearing until Wednesday. In the petition challenging Mr. Tinubu's victory, Atiku accused the then president-elect of drugs trafficking and falsification of U.S. academic records and identity. In the filings, Atiku's lawyer, Mr. Uche, said Tinubu forfeited $460,000 as a compromise agreement in the U.S. Atiku further faulted Mr. Tinubu's victory because he holds dual citizenship of Nigeria and Guinea, having voluntarily acquired the citizenship of the Republic of Guinea. He accused INEC of fraud and substantial non-compliance with the provisions of the Electoral Act and the Constitution during the conduct of the February 25 election.